Human resource management, HRM, and project management is the process of organizing, leading, and managing the project team. It plays a vital role in ensuring that the team is motivated, productive, and working towards a common goal. Specifically, HRM and project management focuses on the following aspects. 1. Team formation. 2. Task allocation. 3. Performance monitoring. 4. Conflict resolution. 5. Training and development. To build a well-rounded team, you'll need to identify the required skills and expertise for the project. This might involve hiring new talent or reassigning existing team members. Consider these factors when selecting team members: relevant experience and technical skills, interpersonal and communication skills, problem-solving and decision-making abilities, adaptability, and flexibility. It's essential to create a diverse and balanced team that can contribute different perspectives and ideas, fostering innovation and collaboration. When allocating tasks, consider each team member's strengths, weaknesses, and interests. To do this effectively, you should assess individual skills and expertise, identify the team's overall capacity and workload, balance challenging and routine tasks for team members, establish clear goals and expectations for each task. Regularly review and adjust task allocation as needed, ensuring that the team remains motivated and focused on the project's success. To keep track of your team's progress and performance, implement regular check-ins and progress reports. Use these opportunities to address any challenges or obstacles that the team is facing, provide constructive feedback and praise for achievements, identify any skill gaps or areas for improvement, adjust deadlines or resources as needed. Remember to celebrate milestones and recognize individual contributions, as this helps maintain motivation and engagement throughout the project. Conflicts can arise in any team, and effective conflict resolution is a crucial part of HRM. When addressing conflicts, encourage open communication and active listening, identify the root cause of the conflict, generate possible solutions and evaluate their effectiveness. Develop a plan of action and monitor its implementation. By addressing conflicts promptly and constructively, you can maintain a positive and collaborative work environment. Investing in your team's growth and development is essential for long-term success. Some ways to support training and development include offering workshops or training sessions on relevant topics, providing opportunities for team members to attend conferences or seminars, encouraging cross-functional collaboration and knowledge sharing, establishing a mentorship or coaching program. By prioritizing your team's development, you can improve their skills, increase job satisfaction, and ultimately enhance project outcomes. That's everything for now. Don't forget to explore our website for useful information.